All right, this is a quick screencast introducing section 7.6. This is 7.6.1. Just jumping back in and reestablishing what we have as tangents and secant definitions. So again, we've been working with tangents, so this is not a big surprise. Tangents are always right around the edge of the circle. They only touch the circle once, and they create a 90-degree angle with the radius at the point of tangency. Okay, always creating our nice right angles. A secant line always has a kind of, they come from outside. These are two secant lines that happen to intersect at point E. They do not have to do that, but we will be spending a good deal of time talking about how to find the angle at E, and so it makes sense to talk about two secants that come from the same point outside of the circle, and then they intersect the circle in two places. One thing that I'll draw your attention to is, as you think about secant lines as they go around, I think I can go all the way around here. Yes, I can do that. And that we can move all kinds of things all over the place, keeping them as secant lines. One thing that happens is if you let H approach F, see how it's going around the circle? And it's going close to F. Look what almost happens. E down to H down to F almost becomes a tangent line. And that'll be important later on as we start to ask how long some of these pieces are and how do we find that out. But anyway, think about the fact that we still have two nice secant lines, but as those 2 points get close to each other, the idea of a limit kind of jumps out. If you've heard that question before, that this secant line magically in some ways becomes a tangent line down below. Okay, and we'll jump into chapter 7, 6.2 very quickly. Thanks.